Winter. Am I right? A very common question that I get from a lot of my clients is, why is my skin so much more dry in the wintertime as opposed to summer? And the reason why is because we're not getting exposed to that much UV lighting anymore. We're more so exposed to artificial central heating and then going outside to the cold, dry winter air, which can definitely affect your skin. It can make it more dry, more flaky, more tight feeling, and then it can lead to breakouts because of all the dead skin buildup. Something else I'm finding a bit more common these days is having a combination skin type. I feel like back in the day, you were either one out of two things. So you would be dry or oily. But now I feel like people are right in the middle, which is having a combination skin type, which can be very difficult because how can you feel dry and oily at the same time? Sounds complicated, right? Well, today I'm going to be talking about some products and some ways to help treat your combination skin type. So, some tips that I'm going to share with you are number one, and it's very, very easy. It's drink a lot of water. Not juice, not pop, water. Now, I know a lot of people don't really enjoy the taste of water, but there are many ways that you can make your boring water taste good. You can add some lemon and mint, you can add some cucumber, you can add some flavoring powder from Crystal Light, anything to keep your skin nice and hydrated from the inside out. I mean, our skin is the largest organ, so we have to make sure that we are keeping it hydrated at all times. And not to mention, if you're not adequately hydrating your skin, it could affect your results from your skincare as well. Another great tip is sanitize or clean the items that come in contact with your face on a daily basis. So what I'm talking about first and foremost are your makeup brushes. So if you use makeup brushes, make sure that you are cleaning them with soap and water at least once a week, and you are sanitizing them in between your applications with alcohol. Especially these foundation brushes, they are a breeding grounds for bacteria. So that can just spread bacteria on your skin, which can cause more breakouts. So if you wash your brushes regularly, it'll actually keep your brushes nice and soft as well. Another great tip is make sure that you're cleaning your cell phone. Now, a lot of people don't really think about this, but we are constantly putting it up to our face. We're constantly using our fingers on it, back onto our face, and who knows, if you sanitized your hands enough that day. So make sure that you are cleaning the surface of your phone. Another great tip is make sure that you are changing your pillowcase weekly. So it's always good to have an extra clean pillowcase while your pillowcase is in the wash, getting washed after the previous week. So changing your pillowcase will make a huge difference for your skin. So now I will be talking about some products that we have here at the spa that will definitely help maintain your combination skin type. So the first step in your skincare is obviously cleansing. Cleansing is the most important step. If you're not properly cleansing your skin, then the rest of your skincare could not really work the best, if you know what I mean. So we have here the Pure Foaming Cleanser by Clear Balance from Skendor. It is a foam cleanser. It's really fun to use. And it contains a little bit of glycolic acid with some lactic acid, which will help disinfect and soothe your skin. Now, another great tip is finding a toner that doesn't contain any alcohol or anything too harsh, like any harsh fragrances or dyes or parabens. Some really good ingredients to look for in a toner are glycerin, aloe vera, chamomile, lactic acid, witch hazel. This amazing tonic, it's a chamomile tonic from Skendor, comes in a spray bottle. So you just spray that on your cotton pad and wipe after cleansing. It will help remove any residue left over from the cleanser and help restore your pH levels in your skin, so your acidity levels, so you don't feel so tight and dry. So as we already know, combination skin type can be difficult. That's why it's important to have some products on hand specific to dry and oily skin. So doing a mask a couple times a week can really benefit your skin. So the first one that I have here is the Deep Moisturizing Mask by Power Hyaluronic. It has polarized water and hyaluronic acid, which helps replace any lost moisture. So great mask for the winter time, because we all feel that tightness, we all have that flakiness going on everywhere. So that's a great mask that you can do to treat your dry skin. Now for that stubborn T-zone area, we have the Pure Comfort Mask from Clear Balance. And this is a clay-based mask, so this will help draw out any impurities. It'll help absorb any excess oil. It has zinc oxide and witch hazel, which is a great disinfectant, and it helps soothe any irritated skin as well at the same time. So masks are great. They are a great way to breathe life back into your skin at least a few times a week. So I have some specialty items here, like serums. Serums are amazing for the winter time or in just all year round in general. Serums are a great way to help penetrate your moisturizer. It gives it a really nice boost. It specializes in something specific, so you can get a serum for, age spots, fine lines, dehydration in this case, blemishes, the list goes on and on. So a really great way to incorporate, some more hydration is by using these little ampules. They're from Skendor, obviously. They're intensive hydrating concentrates. So there's 7 of them. You use 1 per day for 7 days and your skin will literally do a 180. I mention a lot about hyaluronic acid. It is a great ingredient to have in your skincare no matter what skin type you are. It has 35 other active ingredients, but the hyaluronic acid is number 1. If you want something a little bit more long-term, we have the Moisturizing Booster Serum from Skendor. It's a little bit more of like an oilier consistency. So you just do a few drops on your skin wherever you're feeling the most dry and massage that in. And that will really help treat any dry, dehydrated, flaky, tight skin. So I have 2 more products to show you, the last being a moisturizer. So again, a lot of us for that difficult combination skin or even oilier skin types feel that the solution to our oily or shiny texture is to not moisturize, which is actually a big no-no. We definitely need to moisturize our skin. A really good way to find a moisturizer is look for one that is gel-based. So here we have the Pure Defense Gel by Clear Balance. It is oil-free, it's lightweight, it has SPF, which everybody needs. It helps protect you from the sun and the environment. It helps lock everything in, and it makes a great base for makeup. So there's the moisturizer. Now the last product is one of my random favorites. It's the thermal concentrated water. So after all the skincare during the harsh winter weather, we all may feel very sensitive or just irritated. So you can just spray this thermal water, oh, it smells so good, on your skin. And you can even use it as a setting spray for makeup, but it really just helps, with any irritations or just redness, overall redness. So it's a great little specialty item as well. So there you have it. I am very hopeful that somebody has learned something from this video. Another last minute tip that I want to share with everybody is if you're having a lot of issues with your skin, come in for a professional facial. We here at Brooklin Laser Hair Removal Clinic and Spa, we are here to help you and we want to help you. We will listen to your concerns and we will help you come up with a solution. We live and breathe skincare. It's what we do on a regular basis. So we are here to help, and from me personally, I know that our skin can sometimes take us on a roller coaster ride. So if you do your research, or if you go to somebody that you genuinely trust, it will get better, I promise. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.